In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit gravity forms with the Wpdatatables Wordpress table plugin. This process can be quite simple and efficient, and once you've mastered it, you'll be able to manage your data with ease. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is the interactive hub where you'll be managing all your WordPress related tasks. If you're not already familiar with it, the dashboard is your starting point for almost everything you do on your WordPress website. Next, look at the left panel and click on Plugins. From there, select Add New. This is where you'll be able to search for and add new plugins that can extend the functionality of your website. Now, you'll want to install and activate the Wpdatatables add-on. To do this, use the search bar in the Add Plugins page to find the Wpdatatables plugin. Once it appears in the results, simply click Install Now and then activate it. This will integrate the Wpdatatables capabilities with your WordPress site, allowing you to link your Gravity Forms data to the tables. With the plugin activated, you can now create a new WP data table from Gravity Forms entries. This is where you'll start converting your form responses into a structured table format. Go back to the WordPress dashboard again, and you'll notice a new option for WP data tables in the menu. Click on this option and then select Create a Table. Once you hit Create a Table, you'll be prompted to choose your data source. This is an important step because the data source determines where Wpdatatables will pull the information from. Select Gravity Forms as your source. On the next screen, start by naming your table. It's important to give it a descriptive name that will help you identify it easily later on. After naming it, select Gravity Forms again as the source and then choose the specific form whose entries you want to display. This allows Wpdatatables to pull in the relevant data from these form responses. With your data source selected, now it's time to customize the table's appearance and settings. Wpdatatables offers a variety of customization options. You can change the appearance by adjusting colors, fonts, and styles to match the aesthetic of your website. Additionally, look into the Settings tab to adjust how the data is displayed and interacted with. And there you have it, that's how you edit Gravity Forms with the Wpdatatables WordPress table plugin. With a few clicks, you're able to manage your form data seamlessly. Practice these steps and soon you'll be managing your data like a pro. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.